Hey everyone. Welcome back to the quick modeling and rendering series. This is part 2 of the series. If you have not watched part 1, the link is given in description below, or you can click on I button in the top of video. In this part we will learn how to create walls using primitive objects, how to use primitive objects to create doors and window openings, how to use Boolean command, glance at parameters of doors and windows. Watch the video till end. So, let's start with part 2. In this part we will be modeling the first floor of the building. Here I am using primitive objects such as box and cylinder to create first floor. I am using box object to create windows, using the CAD file as reference for the width and depth of windows. Selecting all windows and displacing in Z direction to create sill level for the windows. Now isolating the windows and scaling them in perpendicular direction of walls, so that we can use Boolean command and create opening in walls by subtracting the window boxes from the walls. Now creating doors using same technique. The beauty of primitive objects is that you can easily make changes in the object, such as changing hinge direction, create opening of pivot door. Use same primitive object to create sliding windows within seconds. Parameters such as frame size of window, glazing thickness, window rails, panels, and opening of windows can be controlled precisely. Select the complete first floor, and move it into the first floor layer. Staying organized is very good habit in 3ds Max. Now creating slab for first floor using the polyline layer from the CAD plan. Creating temporary columns from the shapes, for the front porch area. Now as you can see, our villa is taking shape. And looks good to me so far. Just filling in some extra details, such as adding in a skylight or ventilation opening, using 2.5D snap command to align in the slab with plan without losing the Z coordinates. This helps in quick modeling and accurate snapping. Use same Boolean technique to make a cutout in slab for the ventilation area. If you want to learn more in depth about the Boolean command, or any other short trick used in these video, leave a comment and let me know what more to include in tips and tricks video. Here I am using align command, to align in the base of rectangle to the top of slab. It's by far the easiest and accurate technique to use for aligning the objects. It works mostly in every situation. Here I have created a primitive plane, and applied shell modifier to give it some thickness. This is another method to create quick slab in building. I hope you have learnt some new skills today. That's all for this part. I will see you in next video. Till then, keep pushing pixels. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you liked this video, give a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Have great day.